So this is what it looks like when the river's flooded. There's really not that much to it. Except for considering the fact that whenever I go fishing down here, it's usually not this deep. But considering that all the flooding, it's probably gonna be a while until I can go fishing again. Alright, gonna start heading back upstream. Gonna show you guys what it looks like under the bridge. Oh God, got burrs on me. You know, I'm really glad there's still like some dry land, or else I wouldn't be able to go running down here. Right there used to be stairs. There used to be like these 5 feet of stairs, and now it's completely just underwater. All of it. There's some of the remaining ice. I hate these burrs. So many of them. Get them all off. So one thing I don't like about being down here, it's a lot of burrs. Alright. Once you get like down here, this is where it really starts to get really out of hand. It's probably as far as I'm possibly going to be able to go. Because once you get to here, see how close I am to the water? Once you get pretty much to here, this is the end of it. Some chunks of ice. So once you get down to here, there's pretty much nowhere else but just water. Alright, I'm gonna go head back. I'm gonna try and film some of the flooding. Considering I live so close to it, I could just like come down here all the time. If you look about like 10 feet out, that's where the water used to be. And now it's completely just submerged underwater. I don't think I'm even supposed to be down here. But I'm gonna do it for the YouTube video. Because right now my YouTube channel sucks and I need views. And this seems convincing. So, yeah. Avoid all the birds. Crap. Birds. There's a lot of birds. Okay. Alright. Well, I'm just gonna have to end the YouTube video here, guys. Bye.